Hi, thank you for dropping by. Welcome to our Adventure Chronicles. We will be sharing our journey through life. We're just like everyone else, working full-time, juggling busy schedules, and craving for those moments of freedom from our daily routine. What we do is we make every weekend count, and we're here to share them with you. From our recent travels to our weekend getaways, we'd love to bring you along. Whether it's a cozy cabin retreat, a cross-country road trip, or even an RV camping under the stars, we will be sharing some simple hacks, route plans, and our budget-friendly itinerary. We also have passion for food, and our taste buds love to wander the world. Join us as we immerse ourselves in these rich flavors of different cultures and regions, one dish at a time. By the way, if there's something that you want us to cover, please put them in the comments below. Hopefully, you'll join us on our journey by subscribing. Together, let's explore, indulge, and savor every moment life has to offer. They say life is beautiful, and our primary business is to enjoy every bit of it. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.